Hello, welcome again to this channel. Let us have the representation of our electrical components. This is very important in our analysis of a three-phase system, especially in the short circuit analysis and load flow analysis. So we have here a generator. It is represented by this one. Okay, so this is a single line representation, circle, and inside of it is a sinusoidal waveform, and attached to a vertical bar here, which is actually this one is the bus bar. So this can be also equally represented into this one. Okay, so this is a representation, another representation of your generator, in which you have here also the circle, and inside is a sinusoidal waveform and an inductor here. For this one, this will be your generated voltage. You have here a representation for your reactance, so JXG. The one that is outside is the output of your generator. So that's how you represent this generator, this single line diagram, to this reactance diagram. And the other one is for the motor. You will notice that it is on the other side. It means that this is the bus bar and this is your motor. Okay, so the difference between the generator is that the generator is the one that is supplying the current, so the current is going out here. For the motor, it's the other way around. This is an equipment, so it receives a current for it to function. So this is represented equally into this reactance diagram. So you have here for this circle, which is inside a sinusoidal waveform, that will be your voltage of your motor, and you have here also Jx of M, a reactance diagram for the motor. And we have here for the transformer or the bus bar, and a line here and two circles for the single line diagram. So you know that the transformer has two different voltage from the other side to the other side. We call this is primary and secondary. This can be represented into this one, the reactance diagram, GXT. You will see here that in this representation the voltage is not so much of concern, because you will understand it when you analyze a system using per unit. And here is the transmission line. So these are the bus bar, and the one that here a straight line is actually the transmission line. It will be the same as the transformer, but we use here JXTL to differentiate the transformer from the transmission line. And then the last one are the loads. So we have here the same as the motor. Okay, so the current is from the bus bar going to this load. So the arrow is here, and this can be represented by a rectangle, and we use the symbol Z or ZL for the load. So we use all of this representation for our system analysis. So thank you.